Dreaming of navigating the vibrant streets of Tokyo with your Apple Card? Here's your guide to seamless spending in Japan. First, a crucial step before you even leave home: ensure your Apple Card is set up for Apple Pay on your iPhone or Apple Watch. This is the absolute best way to use your Apple Card in Japan, as it leverages widespread contactless payment acceptance. When you're ready to make a purchase, simply look for terminals that display the contactless payment symbol, which looks like a Wi-Fi icon tilted on its side. Hold your unlocked iPhone or Apple Watch near the terminal until you see a checkmark and hear a confirmation sound. It's that easy. Now, let's talk about the nitty-gritty fees. The good news is that Apple Card, being part of the MasterCard network, generally does not charge foreign transaction fees for purchases made abroad. This is a significant advantage compared to many other credit cards, meaning more of your money goes towards experiencing Japan. However, Apple Pay compatibility is key. While major retailers, hotels, and many restaurants in tourist areas readily accept Apple Pay, smaller establishments or those in more rural areas might still be cash only or only accept local Japanese credit cards. It's always wise to have some Japanese yen on hand as a backup. You'll see your transactions appear in your wallet app on your iPhone, converted accurately into US dollars. This makes tracking your spending incredibly straightforward, even across different currencies. So, to recap: set up Apple Pay, look for contactless terminals, enjoy the lack of foreign transaction fees, and always carry a little cash just in case. Your Apple Card can be a fantastic companion for your Japanese adventure.